Okay, so once you're at the website, you want to log in. We'll provide you with your login information. So you'll enter that and then you're going to sign in. That will take you to the home page where you can find all the games that are there and create your own games. You have to create a URL for your game. This would allow students to access the play version of the game from home if they wanted to keep practicing, or other teachers could use it, that kind of thing, without being logged in. Some URLs are already taken, so you just have to play around with it a little bit until you get one that's all yours, and then it will load and open up your blank template for you. You just want to click where they have those sort of faded titles and start typing, and it'll erase what's there and put in your own information. So you can add your titles and then the titles for all of your columns as well. If you're wanting a game with fewer columns, I believe you can just leave the columns in the end completely blank, and they won't be included in the game. So once you're done with the columns, you can click on one of the question boxes and it will open up your question field for you. So the top portion is going to be your question and the bottom portion is going to be your answer. This can be done in a Jeopardy format or not. I would advise, though, keeping a answer key separate, just because when you're actually playing the game, you don't get to see the answer until you've awarded the points. So if you should forget what the 4 elements of a story are, it could be handy or helpful to have an answer key, and we do have an answer key for you for the game that we've created. So as you just saw, once you're done your question, you want to save it. You can go back and edit it, and it shows that it's done because it turns yellow. So you just want to follow that format until you've got the whole game completed, and you want to make sure that you do that one box at the bottom as well, the final factile. It's kind of hard to see, but that's your final bonus question for the Jeopardy game. Once you're done creating the game, you have a couple options down the bottom of the screen there. Delete, share, flashcards, or play the game. You want to just hit play the game, and you can check out your work. So for actually playing the game, you can access it that way when you're done editing it, or you can access it from your home screen. You pick how many teams you're going to have, and then you get to pick as well who your team icons are going to be. So in this case, watermelon, strawberry, pineapple. There's a quick how to play, so you can show this to the students as well. Basically, you click a question and then award the points for that question to a team, and it shows us the answers. So I'm just going to do a quick run through that now. So the students pick plot for 100, and it shows the question up on the screen, and then let's say strawberry team wins the points, so we just click the little check mark, and then it shows us the answer to the question just to confirm, and you can continue. If you want to come back to this particular game, you can log into playfactile.com, and once you've logged in, it just shows here under My Games. You can edit or play the game from here.